Hey folks, I'm about opening these 3 package for the 88 tops. I got one, looks like one rookie card, Mike Smiley. On the front, Hall of Famer Ozzie Smith. Let's see what kind of fun stuff in here. Right, very way of opening this package. As long as I don't damages. What the first? Not good. Fail. You got one job. Can't do it right. So the first package is Ozzie Smith. This is the year when the Giants and Dodgers were the World Series in the back. I don't know anything about this guy, but this is what they look like. Front and back. Let me see what I can get. Looking for some rookies. Some of the cards we got earlier. Oh, Hall of Famer. He was in his playing career. Mike. Hall of Famer right there. Moose Hash. Interesting name. It's really interesting package, really. It's pretty much for this. That's for this pack. Let me see. The other 3. Oh, yeah, where I put it. There it is. Not good for teeth. Don't do it for kids. Don't bag it like this. Not good for the package. For teeth. So the third card, George Bell. All-Star. Oh, Hall of Famer. Dave Winfield. Got a great career. I think the video of him in no, what was his name? God damn. No, Ryan going through a fight. Jack the Ripper. Jose Uribe. If you find the mistake, there's an error of him. The birth is wrong or something on the flare. That's worth like almost $250,000. Some reason. I married him. He used to be a great shortstopper for the Giants. Him and Robbie Thompson used to be. When I watch him play, I usually enjoyed them. Got a sort of guy. I don't know anything about this guy. All-Star. It was Moe for a pitcher. Jackson. Zane Smith. For some reason, ring the bell. For some reason, Zane Smith ring the bell, but I can't remember much. If you know him. But yeah, once again, try to get a flare, 89 flare. Trying to get a Jose Uribe. Get by a house when you find it. The last pack right here. Get scissors next time. It came with Blue Jay leaders. I think he's a Hall of Famer. This guy's born in Russia. I think he's a Hall of Famer. Actually, he was born in Russia. Oh, no, Holland. He was born in Holland. My mistake, but I thought he was Russian or something. I think he's a Hall of Famer. Nothing really. Got the marriage here. These come with the checklist for the players. Actually, no, they have a checklist, and behind it comes the checklist. Or, of course, Giants, my favorite team. Will Clark, Will Phil, they're going to try to retire his number next year when the whole COVID thing kind of goes away. They were going to do it last year, but COVID kind of changed things. Nothing really worth it. Yeah, this is pretty much it for this pack. Please like and subscribe. Tell me what you think. Hope I get better doing this. Please subscribe to my channel. We do different things each time. Or try to do. We're a bunch of amateurs. So let me know. Alright, try and get my night vision camera set up. 360 camera set up. And then hopefully become famous. Alright, thank you.